This is your first look at the 6321 floor plan by Perry Homes. And when I say first look, I mean first look. This home's not ready for another 2 more months. It is the only one built. You can build this in 1 other community here in DFW and 5 in San Antonio, and that's it. Now, if you're familiar with Perry, you know 6321 is the name of the floor plan, but also the square feet, so this is a big one. This is 5 bed, 5 bath, 3 half bath. Of course, media room, game room, prep kitchen, all the things you're gonna want. But like I said, this one is ready in 2 months, so there's gonna be a couple things covered, stuff on the ground. It's a construction site, but let's go. All right, first of all, you have this big entryway. Heading inside, immediately you're greeted with the banister there, spiral staircase, a little bit of a tighter spiral staircase, that's okay. Tons of windows. You see that? That's 3 rows of windows. Your beautiful fireplace. We'll get to that main area here in a second. You should see here on the floor plan where I'm at if you want to follow along. This is going to be your formal dining. Of course, you have a little kind of bar area here. Now, I will have to go slow to adjust for lighting because lights aren't on. And you're maybe wondering, we've got to the front, where is the office? Right here. So you go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. There's your office. You got a closet there, closet here. Your office with 14-foot ceilings. And if you think those ceilings are high, wait till you see the master, 21 foot. It's crazy. And I guess technically we're going back downstairs. Let's head over this way. Now those stairs have a cool feature on where they lead to, so I'll show you that here in a second. This is going to be your mud area, a little bit of a smaller one, mud bench spot, but you do have a great size 3-car garage. So you got the 2 there and the 1 window back that way. So coming out of your garage into your massive kitchen. And you know, I'm gonna show you on the drone just how massive this spot is. Like, that's a cathedral if I've seen one. Tons of storage. Room for a giant fridge. Just beautiful. You got your island right here. And then back this way, your prep kitchen with good sized pantry. And a wasp. And it's Texas. Now, there's actually another pantry. So wait till we see that here in a second. But just showing you a little bit further how much storage you get. You see that? So you got fridge, sink, is probably going in over here. Lots of storage. All right, let's get away from that wasp. I don't think he wants me here. Man, I just can't get over the high ceilings there. All right, then right out of the kitchen, you have your game room. Here's, I think this is an 18-foot ceilings, 15, 18, somewhere around there. So higher, but we got some more to go. You got this bathroom here. Go into your back patio. And of course, back patio has the high ceilings as well. Back through our sliding glass door. Let's head over to the master. And then I'm gonna talk about the location here for a second, then we'll go upstairs. Because like I said, they're building this one here. This is the only one that has even started and it's almost done. And then they have 1 other location in DFW, 5 in San Antonio. So we got another entrance to your back patio. Oh, did I mention these are on an acre? So all the way out there. And if you need some party supplies, they built this second pantry right by the back, so that's nice. All right, moving into the master. See what I mean about the high ceilings? 21-foot ceilings. That's crazy. Those are kind of cool cutouts there. And that shows you that the master bath also shares those high ceilings. So much space. Back this way is going to be the toilet. We'll stick that next to his closet. Decent sized closet. Lots of space in that shelving. This will be a big shower right here. Obviously in the middle of everything, kind of regal there. Then this closet seems about the same until you turn the corner. You have so much more space. It's dark in here, so I don't know if you can tell how much space this is, but it's a big closet. Coming out of your closet, you have the utility room. Of course, plenty of counter space and storage there as well. And back towards the front of the house, you have your first of the secondary bathrooms, or bedrooms. All the rest are going to be upstairs. But this one, so you got grandma living with us. This is a good size here. Yeah, all right. Now before we get upstairs, or as we're going upstairs, because I can walk and talk, right? Let's talk about where we are. So this is Heath. We're just outside of Rockwall. So for high school, you're going to be going to Rockwall Heath High School. And if you are unfamiliar with the ISDs, be sure to check those out because they do okay. Now, what is there to do around this area? Well, if you are into golf, there's a couple golf clubs. We're not too far from Lake Ray Hubbard. If you're into boating, but really this is a relaxing area where people just have a lot of space and is very peaceful. We've made it upstairs to the ever important plant shelf. I don't know why they have to do that, but plant shelf. And again, see just how massive this spot is. All right, we got bedrooms over here. Each bedroom, of course, has a good amount of size. We got the bathroom. This one has the closet through the bathroom. Decent sized closet. And again, sorry about the darkness. We're 2 months out. But that means if you're watching this right now, chances are it's still available. So you can have the only 6321 that's built so far. And even then, with the limited amount of communities that they're building this in, there's not going to be a whole lot of them. And as we're nearing to the end, you got another room over here. Good size everything. Yeah, all pretty decent. And then last but not least, besides your half bath here, these stairs that were over by the kitchen, remember, go up to your media room, which has a little attic access hobbit door there. That's a pretty good sized media room. So yeah, I know that was a fairly quick one, but wanted to show you the 6321 floor plan by Perry, since this is the only one. If you're interested in setting up a private tour or just talking, I'm tracking this one fairly closely since it is the only one. I'd love to set up a time to show you around. Now, let's talk about pricing, because that is important. This is obviously not a cheap home, especially on an acre, especially here in Heath. This one right now is listed at 1.7. The base price is starting at 1.624, something like that. In this community, different communities are slightly different, but you're kind of looking at that above 1.7 is going to be that average there. Now, I know that's not for everybody, and that's okay. My team and I, we specialize in new construction all over DFW. We have those connections with those builders, and we'd love to set up a time to talk. My number's here, or if you click the link in the description. That way we can just get to know you, your personal needs, your budget, your lifestyle preferences, all those things, and connect you with the right builder and the right community that's going to do a great job for you. And as always, thank you for watching.